Hello dear friends, New Hope Incorporated is welcoming you. And in this video, we're going to tell you in detail how to install New Hope MetaTrader 4 crypto and start trading. At first, we need to rent a server that is located in London or New York, for example. Our quick data distribution points are located in these places, and accordingly, you can choose the necessary location for yourself. Let's install the terminal. Launch the terminal to copy our bot data there. The terminal is installed. Click Finish and now the terminal will open. The terminal has opened. Let's choose our server. Next, we need to enter the username and password of our account. Our username and password are saved in a text document, so just copy and paste them into the appropriate fields. So, we will use Bitcoin. We scroll down, find BTC USD, and transfer it to the chart. We can set up a chart for our convenience when working and analyzing the market situation. Now we need to copy our bot files. Next, click File, Open Data folder, the hidden folder. We'll need it later. Go to our archive. Press Extract All and unpack the archive directly to the desktop. Next, go to the drivers folder and install the drivers. The drivers are currently installed on this server, so we won't install them. Drivers are required for the New Hope crypto program to function correctly, so if you do not have them installed, be sure to install them. Let's start the New Hope crypto program. This program delivers quotes to our bot. Click Options and write the name of your account. You can view it on your email that you specified when you purchased your license. Press Save License button, and if all data is correct, download message will appear and the keys will be loaded. Then click OK. Next, let's select a few tools. BTC USD Crypto 1 and BTC USD Crypto 2. Click Add. Click Connect to see the quotes. The program will start connecting to the server, so we see that the connection happened. We will no longer need the program. Let's minimize it. Next, we leave the folder. Copy the MQL4 folder and transfer it to the hidden Open Data folder. The files have been replaced. Now, in order for the MetaTrader 4 terminal to see our bot, you need to restart the trading terminal itself. Restarting. And now, in the Expert Advisors tab, we see the New Hope crypto hidden. Alright, we copied the files. Next, to complete the MetaTrader 4 configuration, click Tools, Options. Go to the Expert Advisor tab and set a checkboxes on Allow Automated Trading and on Allow DLL Imports. Then click OK. Now we drag a New Hope crypto hidden to a cryptocurrency chart, which we will trade. Go to the Inputs tab. Now we need to select BTC USD Crypto 1 value in Crypto Variable. In Settings, the login we will specify the license key. It needs to be made once, then the program itself will remember this data. Next, we need to set Manual Open Position diff to 500 and Minimal Impulse to 1000. Why are we setting such big parameters? For cryptocurrency, as for indexes, there are only signs without dots. That is, 500 will be $5, and the minimal impulse, 1000, will be $10. Set lot size to 0.1. You also must check that local start is set on true. Then our bot will open deals at startup. We press OK. What do we see? we see that the bot launched trade and opened 2 counter deals. To see everything clearly, right-click on the chart. Next, Properties. Go to the Command tab and set checkbox at Show Ask Line. Now we see that the program is running. If the quotations come from New Hope feeds, you will see this data with dashed lines in the graph. Now we see that trade is launched and everything works. That's all. If you have any questions about the installation, contact us and we will help you. Goodbye.